Good morning, guys. If you are watching this, that means you are watching the replay, and I'm going to wait until few of them hop on. I know, being a Sunday, I don't expect many of you to be up and early by 9:30, and it's a cloudy day here in Charlotte. I know nowadays whenever we say cloudy, we'll be like laughing at ourselves because cloudy is at home, so whenever we call ourselves. Hi Tanya, good morning. Thank you for hopping in, Tanya. That's a really sweet of you to join me every time. So, being the last day of Navratri, thank you, Tanya. It's a purple, right? Like, I mean, today's color was purple. I had two or three. I had a bluish purple which I wanted to wear for today. Then I finally changed my mind and wore this purple. It's a very, very simple. I think the whole Navratri I didn't wear much of Kanjipuram at all. So this is a very simple sari which I really like because sometimes these old Kanjivarams are like, what is it, like a breeze to wear, and they will listen to whatever you say. Like, I mean, it literally feels like a dream to wear. So that's the one I'm wearing for today. And hi Soumya, good morning. Thanks for hopping in. I saw such a sweet picture of you, the one you shared. It was so sweet, because we always say, no, see, everybody, our father is our first hero, and it's like such a lasting memory. Like, I mean, the way she was holding, like, I mean, the trust and everything, the happiness, feel how you feel so safe and all those stuff. So it was so beautifully captured in that picture. So God bless. So I just saw the picture like just 1 minute before I hopped in here. So and so for my eye look, usually what I do is I try to pick like an inspiration I can follow, like what is it, like a yes, it was what is it, like it sometimes we ask them to pose or something, but it was like it's such a everyday moment that was beautifully captured. I have a picture of Krish similar to that, but not with my husband, instead with both of the granddads actually. So when we had an Indian trip, we were like we were walking somewhere, and he was holding both of their hands, and it was like a one lifetime picture, I would say. As you know, he's now 11. Thank you, Soumya. It's not a very, what is it, like fancy sari and all. It's what is it, like those days we get, right? Like when I was in school or college, my mom bought me this. These are like these co-optex kind of handloom saris, which comes with only one single border. So that's why it's like I think it might be like a 20-year-old or something. That's why it's so soft. And for purple, I thought I'll wear this one. So for my eye look, as I was saying, like usually I try to pick from one person and do. That is how I did last year. But this year I improved it a bit, because see, there's purpose or their sari might be little different, and the colors in my sari would be completely different. So sometimes it will not even work. So this year I started tweaking a little bit from the inspirations and started doing my own. And for today's look, I think her name is Pretty Moon, if I'm not wrong. I think she's one of the, what is it, like a top influencer in India. So she did one of the purple eyes ones. So I picked one of those, and the other one I usually follow the whimsical brush. So I basically combined both, because one is I wanted the purple on for the top lid, one I did for the bottom lid. So there are two different ones. Today I don't know whether I'll be able to take pictures outside. It's completely raining overnight from in Charlotte. From yesterday, it's such a cloudy morning, Sunday morning, so I may have to take my pictures inside. And so what I did is those two things basic. As usual, I color corrected and did rustic brown for my eyebrows. Those two are like basic. And the next one is I used rust to give the contrast. That's the one I have used it in my crease. So you can pretty much use rust, Americano, or even French roast, anything like or Mocha Java. So if you're more fairer than me, Mocha Java should work for me, since I'm medium to dark. Mocha Java sometimes may not show in my what is it, like in my skin tone, so I prefer to use either Americano. If you wanted a lighter one, Americano works. This one is a little darker since I want like a more of a dramatic eye. I have used Rust. This is one of the newest shadows, and it's a very pretty fall shade, so I have used it in the crease. And the next one is Plumberry. These two are like a match made in heaven. That's how it's called, because they both are like what to say, like they both are matte shades but can work beautifully together. So what I did is I have used Plumberry next to um, Rust in my crease again. And then my favorite Plasma Pink Shimmer, that's the one I have used all over my lid. That's a very beautiful shade. All four shades from the I don't even remember the collection, we have so many. So that's the collection I have used. So I have used it all over, as I mentioned in the Pretty Moon's inspiration. She has used like a gold in the inner eye, which I didn't want to, so I used this one as my all over lid color. It's such a pretty shade. And to improve the glitter, this is a shimmer, so it's Plasma Pink Shimmer. So what I did is I have used Tropical Orchid glitter. So you can see they both are like closer to each other, whereas one is a shimmer and one is a glitter. So I have used Tropical Orchid glitter on in the middle of the eye just to give a pop. And I have used French Rose to as a contrast. If you want, you can bring down, usually I bring down the same colors for my lower lid too, but today I didn't want to do that because I wanted like a contrast smoky eye kind. So anytime when you say a smoky eye, it doesn't have to be only black, it can be with any color. So I have used the French Rose to do it on my lower lid. And I thought I brought it. I have used the black brown pencil. I think this week I had many questions to show the difference between black and black brown. So what I used is I have used only in the corners just to smoke out the black brown pencil. You can never go wrong with black or black brown. Both will look really nice. And I have used the simple black eyeliner for my top wing. So I have used black. I think this week I have pretty much used Onyx. I have used Starry Sky. So I have shown different varieties for the whole week. And going back to basics, I picked Plum, which is one of my favorite fall shade. I think Plum is in the sale in the fall lip color bundle for this month. So fall, you can always carry berry tones, orangish tones, burnt orange kind of persimmon brick, and also Plum is the one I'm wearing. And I just topped it with a simple matte gloss because since I have more of glittery eyes going on my eye look, I wanted like a plain matte lip color, and Plum is the one I chose to wear. And for my blush and highlight, I mixed two of the pearlizers. I mixed Firefly and Amber. These two are like mini pearlizers when compared to the big ones. So that's the one I have used because I wanted like a coppery gold as well as with a slight tint of pink. So these two are like really amazing. You can see I've been having it for more than 3 months, but you can see how much I have used. You will use such a tiny drop. I will compare both for you to see. So this is Amber, which is like a coppery gold tone, whereas Firefly is pink. So this will be the amount you will use every time. Even this is more. You can see it's like a pink with like a like a pearly finish to it, whereas you can see how much it is like. So when it comes to SeneGence, always start really small, and that way you can mix them. These are like so hydrating. Instead of a powder blush, these will go really well on the skin tone. And also they what I did is I pretty much mixed them both to get that a slight pink tint to a coppery gold. So you can see it's like you can see it from my normal hand to hear. It gives such a what is it, like a perfect finish to the whole look. It is I know always the camera finds it difficult to capture these kind of tones, but once you wear them in person, you will start to notice how beautiful they are. And for today's look, I just paired it. This is one of my childhood friends. She sells these from India, so I paired this and a beautiful German silver earring to go with it. This is I got from Goya Nut. Vidya is here in the group, so this is the one I got from her. I had another pearl Jimika one in the same tone, but you know I am always like a big earring lover, so I wore this one to match that, and I wore a simple gold bangle to go with the saree. So that's the look I did this whole week. I thoroughly enjoyed getting ready in the morning and sharing what I did. It's what is it, like each day I look forward to picking the colors, because it's not something I pre-plan. I pre-plan my sarees. What is it, like even the jewelry or something. But with the eye looks and makeup, I mostly try to find the inspiration as the day goes, because that way I can think so much and do. I don't want to do very complicated ones. I wanted like a very simple ones that I can do and share with you guys. There are many requests, people pinged me for me to do like a one whole get ready video, not the 5 minutes one, like the one here where I did like a what is it, like an in detailed one, I would say. I am planning to do like a time lapse and record my voice on it. That way it is like shorter instead of a longer video. So out of these nine what is it, like 9 different looks, you can ping me which one you want me to do. The one that is like has the more people's request, I will definitely do. Obviously the one I did with the golden eye on the second day, I think the orange saree, people pinged me so much to record that. So instead of just doing as an eye look, maybe I can do as a overall face look. That way you can try to replicate, and also you will know how many products I have used and how much I have used. Because when it comes to Senegen's concealer and all, the tube is just this much, like I mean it's very small, so people immediately get a question saying that, oh, it's very small. But as I showed, each product you will be using very tiny amount, because once you take so much, that's when you have problems in blending or even applying. You will feel like it's going patchy. With Senegen's, whether it's skincare or makeup, always make sure to start really small. You can always build up and you can add things. Like for the plasma pink shimmer and all, I think you can see the tube is pretty much full. Like I mean that's how much product is here, but you will start with very small. That way. And with that what is it, like with Shadow Sense, again you have the freedom of going very light, or you can layer them to make prominent. Here I wanted a little more prominent, so I have layered it 1 or 2 times. But if you want it to be very light, you can just use like a tiny bit, and if you keep blending, the color will slowly start to look really light. So any shade, don't judge it just by looking at the tube. The tube looks really pigmented because that way you can see the shade, but at the same time you can just do like a very thin one to a darker one. So that is the one I wanted to share. And the Navratri sale ends today, so if you are looking to grab something, I had so many requests for the lip color this week. I know you guys are busy, but make sure to finalize your order and pay the invoice by tonight. That way you will be able to utilize the 10% and free shipping on $100 or more thing by today. And as I mentioned, my 4th year already started, and looking forward for a more fun and learning and making new connections. So every year that's my goal, because the when you do something that you really enjoy, and also it challenges you, it what is it like it makes you feel happy to go and do it every single day, then obviously that is the one, that is the job you are going to look forward. So for me, I really enjoy meeting you guys every single day, and this doesn't feel like a, what is it like a tedious process at all for me. I really enjoy doing this, and I have the freedom of doing it on my own schedule, and doing it what is it like without any deadlines, or without any I wouldn't say without any goals, because I do have my own personal goals, but at the same time, it's not like I'm in a pressurized environment. Here, I have the freedom to explore. If I make a mistake, then I learn from it and go on. Like, I have always bumped your last year's post for you to see, because you can see how much you can progress if you keep doing something for like quite a bit of time. So nothing can be achieved in 1 year, whether it's a weight loss, whether it's how to say like any learning. But if you have your heart and soul into it and work towards it, you will obviously achieve more by putting even small efforts every single day. So I believe in that so much, and I always appreciate you guys for hopping on. And this whole week, you won't know how much it meant to me, because I know even in your busy schedule, everybody took time to hop on and comment in every post, or sharing your positive views, because that's what I feel we learn from each other, to encourage others to what to say like to say even a single positive word to a person, that will comes back 100 times more to you. So that will make a person more confident, and you will never know how much it meant to them that day. Like, they might be in a struggle, they might have had a bad day, but your word can make a huge difference. So never hesitate to give a positive comment to anyone. Not, it's not just me, it's like an overall process. So that's the learning I got from Sanagents, because here you have such a wonderful company where you don't compare yourself, you encourage yourself. If you see my Insta post every single day, so many people from my company took time to come and encourage me, and motivate me, and so many other things. So and this month, as you know, it's free to sign up, and if you are someone who can do what I do, please do join my team. You will really enjoy doing this at your own pace. There is no what is it like a fixed amount of time. You can do full time, or you can do part time. I do full time, whereas my downline Shweta does it part time. She's a dentist. So same way, Farah has different things, Rane has different things. So people have different things.